Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Now with this we completed the concept wise. Now we will discuss problems. Okay, we will discuss problems on this concept. Okay, example 22. Okay, example 22 ma find magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Find magnitude of a bar cross b bar if a bar, vector a bar is given as 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap and vector b bar is given as 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, now we have to find magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Okay, first we will find a bar cross b bar, then we will find its magnitude. How we can find a bar cross b bar? Okay, cross product of two vectors is given by determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. First you write components of a bar ma 2 1 3 no 2 1 3. Okay, next components of b bar 3 5 minus 2 3 5 minus 2. Now calculate this determinant. How we calculate I cap into first row first column closed minus 2 minus 15. So minus 17 I cap minus 17 I cap minus j cap into first row second column closed 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 into 3 9. Okay, minus 4 minus 9 minus 13. So minus of minus plus 13 no 13 j cap plus k cap into 10 minus 3 is 7 k cap. So a bar cross b bar is equal to minus 17 I cap plus 13 j cap plus 7 k cap. Okay, a bar cross b bar is equal to minus 17 I cap plus 13 j cap plus 7 k cap. Now its magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to square root of I component how much minus 17 square plus 13 here 13 square plus 7 square. How much it is? Square root of 17 square 289 plus 13 square 169 plus 7 square 49. Total how much? Square root of 507. Square root of 507. Okay. Now here vector a bar given, vector b bar given. We have to find magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Okay. First of all, find a bar cross b bar. Cross product of vectors a bar and b bar is determinant I cap, j cap, k cap 2 1 3 3 5 minus 2. Okay, calculate this determinant I cap into this row this column closed minus 2 minus 15 minus 17. So minus 17 I cap. Okay, minus j cap into this row this column hide ma close ma. So minus 4 minus 9 minus 13 minus of minus plus 13 j cap. Okay, plus k cap into this row this column closed 10 minus 3 7. Okay, so magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to square root of minus 17 square plus 13 square plus 7 square. Okay, square root of 289 plus 169 plus 49, that is square root of 507. Square root of 507. Okay, the next question, example 23. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar, where a bar is given as vector a bar is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap and vector b bar is given as I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. The question is to find unit vector perpendicular to the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. A vector perpendicular to two vectors is given by the cross product of two vectors. So first of all, vector perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar is cross product of a bar plus b bar and a bar minus B bar. So first calculate what is A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Okay, what is A bar given? A bar is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap and B bar is given as I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, now A bar plus B bar is the sum of these two vectors, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, I cap plus I cap is 2I cap, j cap plus 2j cap is 3j cap, k cap plus 3k cap is 4k cap. This is A bar plus B bar. Okay, vector A bar plus B bar is 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, next A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar is what is A bar? I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus of B bar, I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, I cap minus I cap cancel, j cap minus 2j cap minus j cap, k cap minus 3k cap minus 2k cap. So A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar we calculated. Okay, next a vector perpendicular to two vectors is its cross product. Vector perpendicular to two vectors is given by its cross product. So vector perpendicular to A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar is given by cross product of A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Okay, I, j, k, okay, 2, 3, 4, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so this determinant is equal to I cap into minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. So minus 2 I cap minus j cap into minus 4. So minus of minus plus 4 j cap plus k cap into this row this column head minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 cap minus 2k cap. Okay, so cross product of A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar I will consider as a vector C bar. Okay, C bar is equal to what we have minus 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, this is a vector perpendicular to both the vectors A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Okay, but what we need a unit vector perpendicular to A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Now, unit vector how we will get? Vector divided by its magnitude gives a unit vector, no? So first of all find out magnitude of C bar. Magnitude of C bar is equal to square root of minus 2 square 4 plus 4 square 16 plus minus 2 square 4. Okay, square root of 4 plus 16 plus 4, that is square root of 24. Square root of 24 is 2 root 6. Okay, magnitude of C bar is 2 root 6. Okay, magnitude of C bar is 2 root 6. Okay, next. What is unit vector? Unit vector is vector divided by its magnitude gives unit vector. No? Now what is C bar? C bar is a vector perpendicular to both A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. So unit vector is C cap is given by C bar by magnitude of C bar. Okay, C cap, unit vector is C cap and is given by C bar by magnitude of C bar. Okay, so what is C bar? Minus 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap upon 2 root 6. So 2 common here and 2 cancel out. So what we get? Minus 1 by root 6 I cap, 4 by 2 root 6, 2 cancel, no? So 2 by root 6 j cap minus 2 by 2 root 6 minus 2 cancel. So minus 1 by root 6 k cap. So this is the unit vector. This is the required unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. A bar something given, B bar something given, two vectors given, we have to find a unit vector perpendicular to A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. So first of all calculate A bar plus B bar, then calculate A bar minus B bar. Okay, now cross product of these two gives a vector perpendicular to both A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Okay, what we got, let it be C bar is minus 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, now unit vector along this vector is vector divided by its magnitude. So overall what we got, unit vector is minus 1 by root 6 I cap plus 2 by root 6 j cap minus k cap. Okay, next question. Example 24. Find area of triangle having the points A 1 1 1, B 1 2 3, C 2 3 1 as its vertices. Okay, we have to find area of triangle whose vertices are A111, B123, C231. Okay, now area of the triangle is what, ma? Half modulus AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, already we discussed area of the triangle is half mod AB bar cross AC bar, half mod AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, now first of all find AB bar and AC bar. Okay, so AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar, where OB bar is position vector of point B, OA bar is a position vector of point A. Now OB bar is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap minus OA bar is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, now here I cap cancel, 2j cap minus j cap, 3k cap minus k cap is 2k cap. So AB bar is j cap plus 2k cap. Next AC bar is OC bar minus OA bar, where OC bar position vector of point C, OC bar is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap minus OA bar I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, 2i cap minus I cap, 3j cap minus j cap, 2j cap. So area of triangle ABC is what, no? Half mod AB bar cross AC bar. First of all I will find AB bar cross AC bar, then I will find magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, now AB bar cross AC bar is equal to I cap j cap k cap. Okay, I j k. Here AB bar j cap plus 2k cap, no? So I component 0, 1, 2. Okay, I component 1, j component 2, k component 0. So what we have, I cap into this row, this column close, no? So 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 2, 4, minus 4. Okay, I cap into minus 4, minus j cap into 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 plus k cap into 0 into 2, 0 minus 1. Okay, so what it is, minus 4i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, AB bar cross AC bar is minus 4i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar, is square root of minus 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4 plus minus 1 square 1. How much it is? Square root of 21. So area of the triangle ABC is half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar, that is the square root of 21 by 2. Okay, the area of triangle whose vertice is given. Okay, so find out AB bar, AC bar, their cross product, magnitude half. Okay, next question, find area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors. A bar is equal to 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap, and B bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, A bar and B bar, two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. The area of parallelogram when two adjacent sides A bar and B bar are given is modulus of A bar cross B bar. Okay, modulus of A bar cross B bar. Okay, now first calculate A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is equal to ijk. Okay, determinant of ijk, A components 3 1 4, J components B component 1 minus 1 1. Okay, so A bar cross B bar is equal to I cap this row, this column close, first row, first column close, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 4 minus 4, minus of minus plus 4, 1 plus 4 5, so 5 I cap minus j cap into first row, second column close, 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into 1 minus 4, so 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus of minus plus j cap, okay, plus k cap into, okay, first row third column close 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3, okay, minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, so minus 4k cap, 5i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap, okay. So magnitude of a bar cross b bar, magnitude of a bar cross b bar, magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equal to square root of 5 square 25 plus 1 square 1 plus minus 4 square 16, okay. So how much it is? Square root of 42, square root of 42, that is area of a parallelogram. The area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given, a bar and b bar, is magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Okay, first of all, a bar cross b bar is 5i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. Its magnitude is square root of 42. So area of the parallelogram is square root of 42. Okay. The next question. Up to here examples completed. Next exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. First question. Find magnitude of a bar cross b bar if a bar is given as I cap minus 7j cap plus k cap, and b bar is vector b bar is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So first of all, find a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is given by the determinant ijk. Here a bar is what? I cap minus 7j cap plus 7k cap. So 1 minus 7 7. B bar 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So 3 minus 2 2. So I cap into minus 14 plus 14 ma. Okay, first row first column close, minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus minus 2 into 7 minus 14. So minus half minus 14 minus minus 14. So overall this is 0. I component is 0. Minus j component 1 into 2 minus 21. 2 minus 21. 2 minus 21. So 2 minus 21 is minus 19. So minus half minus plus 19 j cap plus 19 j cap. Okay. Plus k cap into this row, this column you have to hide. 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus minus 7 into 3 minus 21 minus half minus plus 21. So 21 minus 2 19. 19 j cap plus 19 k cap. Okay, a bar cross b bar is 19 j cap plus 19 k cap. Now magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Magnitude of a bar cross b bar is square root of 19 square plus 19 square. Okay, so square root of sorry ma, square root of 19 square common. So 19 square into 1 plus 1 2 ma. So square root of 19 square is 19 into square root of 2. Okay, 19 into square root of 2. Magnitude of a bar cross b bar is magnitude of a bar cross b bar is 19 square root of 2. Okay. Next question number 2. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar, where vector a bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap and vector b bar is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. Okay. Now first of all, a vector perpendicular to two vectors is given by cross product of those two vectors. Suppose a bar is a vector and b bar is a vector. Vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar is a bar cross b bar. So unit vector will discuss later. First of all, find a vector perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. So first of all, calculate a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. Now a vector perpendicular to both a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar is cross product of a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. Okay. Now what is a bar given? A bar is given as 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap and b bar is given as I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So a bar plus b bar is the sum of these two. So add, if you add 3i cap plus I cap, 4i cap, 2j cap plus 2j cap, 4j cap, 2k cap minus 2k cap, 0k cap. Okay. So a bar minus b bar, A bar minus B bar is A bar is 3A cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap minus B bar is what? I cap plus 2J cap minus 2K cap. So 3A cap minus I cap is 2I cap. 2J cap minus 2J cap is 0K cap. 0J cap. 2K cap minus of minus plus 2K cap. Total 4K cap. So A bar plus B bar is 4I cap plus 4J cap. A bar minus B bar is 2I cap plus 4J cap. Now vector perpendicular to A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar is given by its cross product. A bar plus B bar cross product with A bar minus B bar is equal to determinant of ijk. Okay, A bar plus B bar is what? 4I 4J 0K. So 440. Okay, A bar minus B bar is 2I plus 4K. No? So 204. Now its magnitude, now cross product I cap into this row, this column, first column close, no, 4 into 4, 16 I cap minus 0, 16 I cap. Next minus j into first row, second column close, 4 into 2, 4 into 4, 16, 2 into 0, 0. So minus 16 j cap minus k cap into first row, third column close, 4 into 0, 0. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. So minus 8 cap, 8K cap. So A bar plus B bar cross product with A bar minus B bar, let it be C bar, is given as 16I cap minus 16J cap minus 8K cap. So magnitude of this vector, okay, because a unit vector is nothing but a vector divided by its magnitude. Now C bar is what? C bar is a vector perpendicular to both the vectors A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Okay, it is a vector perpendicular to both A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Unit vector means we have to divide this vector with its magnitude. Okay. Now magnitude of C bar is equal to square root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. Okay, so it is a square root of 16 square, what we can write 8 square into 2 square. This is a 16 square, what we can minus 16 square or 16 square same, no? 16 square, what we can write 8 square into 2 square plus 8 square. Overall 8 square common from these three terms. So square root of 8 square into here 2 square, 1 square. Okay, so square root of 8 square is 8. Square root of 2 square, 4 plus 1. Square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3, no? So 8 into 3, 24. Okay, magnitude of C bar is 24. My unit vector plus or minus we can take. My C bar by magnitude of C bar gives a unit vector in the direction of vector C bar. Okay, C cap is equal to C bar by magnitude of C bar is in the direction of vector C bar. Okay, unit vector minus C cap C bar by magnitude of C bar, that is unit vector but in the opposite direction of vector C bar. So plus or minus we can take. So plus or minus C bar by magnitude of C bar. So plus or minus 1 by 24 into 16I cap minus 16J cap minus 8K cap. Now if you take plus sign, 16 by 24, 2 by 3I cap minus 2 by 3J cap minus 1 by 3K cap. Okay, if you take minus symbol, minus 16 by 24 I cap, here minus of minus plus 16 by 24 J cap, okay, plus 8 by 24 K cap. So 2 unit vectors will get 2 unit vectors. One is 2 by 3 I cap minus 2 by 3 J cap minus 1 by 3 K cap. Other one is minus 2 by 3 I cap plus 2 by 3 J cap plus 1 by 3 K cap. Okay. Next question. If a unit vector A cap makes angles pi by 3 with I component and pi by 4 with J cap and an angle, acute angle theta with K cap. Okay, unit vector makes pi by 3 with I cap. I cap is a unit vector along x axis. Okay, and pi by 4 with J cap, it is a unit vector along y axis, and an acute angle theta with K cap, it is a unit vector along z axis. Then find theta and hence find the components of A bar. Find the components of A bar. Okay. Now let the unit vectors makes let the unit vector makes alpha, beta, gamma with I component, j component and k component. So what is given? Angle with I cap is pi by 3. So alpha is equal to pi by 3. Angle with j cap is how much given? Pi by 4. So beta is equal to pi by 4. Let gamma consider as theta. Okay, gamma consider as theta. Okay. Now what we know? Sum of squares of direction cosines is 1. Sum of squares of direction cosines is 1. Now if a line makes angle alpha with x axis, beta with y axis and gamma with z axis, then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. So using that condition, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square alpha is how much? Pi by 3. So cos square pi by 3 plus beta is pi by 4. Cos square pi by 4 plus cos square gamma is what? Theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, right this side, 3 by 4 this side. So what we have? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is what? 1 by 4. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4 means cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus or minus 1 by 2. Now cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. There are two conditions: cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 or cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, but what is given here? Theta is acute angle. Theta is acute angle means cos theta has to be positive. Acute angle means 0 to pi by 2. In 0 to pi by 2, cos is positive. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 since theta is an acute angle. Now cos theta 1 by 2 means theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 by 2 nothing but pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. So components of a cap are what? Cos pi by 3, cos pi by 4, cos pi by 3. Nothing but cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So unit vector a bar or a cap components are 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.